Right, people, welcome back. Let's have a look how to register in Stable Circle. So you have created your wallet now, you've backed up your 12 words. Now you have added the coins BNB BEP20 and USDC BEP20, and you have funded it with a minimum of 0.001 BNB. Just take note, I'm going to show you the difference between OPBNB and BEP20. This is what OPBNB looks like. So you do not need this one. Previously it was also yellow. In some wallets it's still yellow, but to differentiate, make sure it says OPBNB. That's how you distinguish between them. But we're only going to work with the BNB, the yellow one, that says BEP20. Right, minimum there is 0.001 BNB. It's going to be much less than that, but you can leave that for future transactions when you want to withdraw and send as well, or transfer the funds, the USDC. Right, so I'm just going to switch this one off. Right, and then you will need $5 of USDC, $5 exactly. You don't have to pay gas fees from the USDC, but because you're paying gas fees from the BNB. Right, so then you have copied the link. Make sure that you have copied your link. Do not press on the link. There is a way to register that way, but this is the way I'm going to show you now. You're going to navigate to the Explore tab right in the middle at the bottom on SafeSpell, or your D app in whatever wallet you are using. Press on Explore and then tap on the search bar here at the top above this Advert banner. Right, and you're going to tap there, then you can see it moves up to the top again, and then you're going to paste the link there. Make sure that you confirm that it is the correct link that was sent to you. Right, and then you're going to press just wait. Yours will be set on Ethereum as a default if you do it the first time. Change this Ethereum to BNB chain. It must be the yellow one, that's the network, and then you press confirm. Then it will ask you to enter with 5 USDC. You're going to connect the wallet and just press enter and continue registration. It's going to come back here. You can confirm again the referrer number. Right, then you're going to scroll up a bit and approve. There's 2 stages of registering in Stable Circle because it's USDC. First of all, you're going to approve the transaction, the $5 USDC. Approve it or confirm it. Right, now you will get the notice to register. There it changes, and then register now will light up. You just press register now and confirm the transaction. Don't worry about the gas fees, yeah, it's all the same. That doesn't matter. And then just approve it. And just be patient. Sometimes it can take some time, but it will definitely go through. Alright, and that's it. And there you are registered now. Let's see. What is the number? So this is 190. There is your referral number and the referral link. You'll just send this back to Alida. Right, you can copy the link here, or you can just send her the number. Yeah, you can also copy, you can share it on WhatsApp. So it shows you here that the open, you still need 2 direct. And then you can just scroll around here. Here you can navigate. This is home, it's at the top. Then my circle is, this will fill up as time goes on. Right, and then your earnings will be displayed here as well. And there's your referral link. And then more, it is still not occupied. Right, thank you ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice day, bye bye.